weekend yonke lesisuka kuya apha eMzantsi Afrika okokonke betrenda nabantu abakhulu abangomrepa beMzantsi Afrika batsho bamamela naye kudala iqhuba ke le nto kodwa ke ba wena uselost kamnandi into yoba yinto lemenza baba kabe nentumasi kangaka khawumamele nje apha.
Did you guys listen to Big Closer's track with iFunny?
Yeah. I just snatched the speed off the internet, man. It's a lot on my mind. You can't be. Look, fuck Mac G and his podcast, y'all ain't putting me on. Bitch, I got myself on, so I don't give a shit if you say you're not feeling my song. Who are you? I don't make music for trust fund babies. I'm from the slums now, baby. I was eating crimes now, baby. I had my stomach empty. That's why you don't relate to anything I put out. I'm from a hood where every weekend it's a shootout. See niggas die when you get a chance, you gotta move out, yeah. And y'all using your platform to spit hate on my name. When I'm doing good, you never mention my name. First time you talk about me, you talking trash. Sounds like hate to me. Fuck you and your podcast, I want my pockets fed.
Hello guys, how many of you know the man called Big Xhosa? Boo boo boo! Okay, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button. On the latest update, Big Xhosa dissed Mac G on his podcast after they commented on Big Xhosa's song featured iFunny. It's about to be lit on the hip-hop industry. So we want to see the reaction of Mac G on the diss track. Please stay tuned on this channel for the reaction of Mac G. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button. Thank you.
Young